I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
I'm here to pick up an order for Shannon.
I'm not here to
Okay.
waste my time on yet another bad romance. Now I got hopes for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right. So from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free.
It's like, do you really want to start over at 41? Like, wow. I don't know, y'all. But I don't know. Any advice for my ladies or gentlemen or guys, women, whoever went through a divorce? Give me your advice. How did you guys cope? Like, I don't know. Just getting through life without the person, which I'm not gonna lie, we still in each other's lives. We got kids together. Before, it's like we're not like intimate. We're not the couple. We just co-parenting really, really good now. And again, it wasn't all peaches and cream. I ain't gonna lie. It was chaotic. But y'all, I'm trying to get this YouTube thing together because your girl, life been life, and I'm tired. Like, and I'm saying I'm tired of, you know, when you're going through life, you got to work a 9 to 5. The people around you, that's around you, don't understand your pain, what you're going through, and then it's be so chaotic to where you want to be your own boss. And anybody out there watching, it's not too late. Yeah, I'm 41 and I'm just getting started, but it's never, never too late, y'all. But this is not going to be a video where I'm rambling and just talking about, you know, my life. But again, I want y'all to like, share, subscribe, and also comment below if you're any heartbreak that it was hard for you to get through. You got through it. How did you get through it? But today is Saturday. I got a lot of runs to make. I went to go get a pedicure this morning. That was early. I didn't want to show y'all that because I ain't ready for all that to show y'all my dogs. Not at all. But anyway, I got other things to do. I'm going to go run a few errands, go to a few stores, and go see my mom. Definitely go see my mom. Again, life is short. My mom had a massive stroke. She's doing much, much better. But love on your loved ones. Love who love you. You only get one mother. Love on your mom.
Building our legacy, travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned, 'cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
Okay, I know this video wasn't that long. I just want to give a little something because I'm trying to build my community, my channel. But go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share. Even if you don't, support a sister. You support me, I support you. But until next time.